Hey everyone, welcome to the Smart Associate. So in this SQL tutorial, we are here at module 7B. So if you are with us, thank you for being part of the Smart Associate. And if you are new to this channel and you want to learn the SQL tutorial, you can visit the previous lectures as well and subscribe the Smart Associate, and please share this video with your peer group and tell them to watch if they want to learn any valuable things. Okay, now let me tell you, I have lot of things. Again, I am telling you, I have lot of things to share with you, so please subscribe the channel. Okay, now in today's video I'll explain the aggregate function sum, average and count. So sum, we know sum is total of, like sum is something, sum is total of something. If I want to sum from 1 to 10, so I'll use the sum function. So let me call other tables as well. Select everything from admission. Okay, see, so you can see patient ID, attending doctor ID. We cannot do the sum. We can do the sum operation over here, but there is we don't have any option, like, or not option, we don't have any logic to do this sum. Yeah, we can do this sum of height and weight over here. So how, what's the syntax of sum? Select and then write the sum and then the column name. So weight as new sum from patient. So you can see it is 714747. It is giving you the sum. This is how you can do the operation of sum. At the same time, if you want to count the number of rows, so instead of height you can tick, you can write this star mark as well. There are 4530. If instead of height, if I'll write the asterisk sign and then run the query, same. If I want the average of my height column, okay, and then run it, you can see 157. So the syntax of sum, average, count is almost same. Purpose is different. Like average will give you the mean height or mean value of the column. Count will give you the number of, total number of rows from data or from the table. Sum will give you the sum of your column. Okay, so sum will sum the data. Count, it will count the number of rows, and average, it will give the mean value. Okay, now how, see, there are multiple ways to utilize it. Let me share something with you, okay, so that you will learn something valuable. Now I want the average height of person whose name is Donald. I know there are multiple person whose name is Donald. So I want the average height, a height from patient where first name is Donald. Okay, now run it. Run it. Why? Okay, it's caps now. See, it is 151. It is case sensitive. See the this SQL is case sensitive. Some in some other SQL database or some other, like server, if you will work, they are not case sensitive, but I think it is case sensitive. So you can see it is coming 151. If I will remove this and run it, it is coming 157. So you know, so you, this is how you can utilize. Now if you want the count key, how many person, how many number of person which name is starting with Donald is present in my data. So count everything and then run it. There are 10% whose name start from Donald. Okay, so this is how you can utilize the sum count average in your query. So where we have raised, we have completed the sum average count. Okay, I know you have lot of question, so you can ask me, because these are the aggregate function. When see, when you are writing group by function, I will tell you in the coming lecture, when you are joining two multiple tables, and when you are grouping the rows and grouping the, yeah, grouping the rows, and you are like filtering the data, then in that case this aggregate function will help you a lot. Okay, so I'll tell you in coming lecture. And please like, subscribe and share this video, and subscribe the Smart Associate channel. We'll meet in the next lecture. Thank you. Bye bye.